Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. Today is Sunday and I finally filmed a cherry makeup tutorial kind of videos with my beautiful new ring light. This is such a game changer. I will upload this video soon how I create this beautiful makeup self-compliment, so stay tuned. I just spent some time to figure out how to set up the ring light and how to use the tripod. I will spend more time to figure out what's the best arrangement. Anyway, so my plan is today, I'm definitely gonna edit a little bit, I'm not sure. Yesterday, the IKEA sent me the whole package. They told me like they were gonna send me the package on next Wednesday, but the packages were in front of my unit, so I was a little surprised. But it's a good thing I got a package earlier, so I'm gonna make the whole IKEA stuff. Not many actually. It's not like short IKEA haul. I got this curtain pole. I don't know how to say that in English, I forget. And that clip to hang the curtain there is a white color. It's not a long curtain because I don't need a long curtain. I just need a like short one. So pretty excited about that to install all the curtain stuff. And these things are or boxes to organize all my stuff. I bought this for putting my files and books. I also ordered some box because I want to organize all my underwears and socks, those kind of accessory stuff. Yeah, I also ordered a table mirror. This one. It's a stand mirror, but I feel like I lost one of the something to assemble the whole stuff, so I'm just gonna decide to use it like this. How creative I am. I wasted my money a little bit, but I try to be more positive because I can use the mirror like that way. Yeah, so I'm gonna assemble all IKEA stuff, and I also write some resumes. Not many because I did a little bit. Yeah, I did a lot yesterday, and the company I did yesterday. So yeah, those things were my plan. So all you guys have beautiful, wonderful Sunday, and see you tomorrow. Yeah, and I also got this home sleeper. It's just like $3, but the quality is not that great. It's not that bad, but it's not good. But I really love this log. It's less than $20, but it's soft and cute. I really love it. I really love this quality, the color and the fur. Yeah, so I'm gonna assemble and also write resumes and edit a little bit, and also organize all my mess to film. Anyway, have a beautiful, wonderful Sunday and see you tomorrow. Hi guys, today is Monday and this is my outfit, just a loungewear. Really chilling. I don't want to do makeup, I don't want to do hair, I don't want to change my clothing. I just want to wear my sweatpants and loungewear because I want to have a chill day. Today is family day in Canada, so it's a national holiday. It's around 10:30. Yesterday I was really angry at myself. It sounds really stupid, but I was really serious yesterday. Like, long story short, I need like 2 or 3 more days to get the money. So I really mad at myself because I might borrow some money from my roommate. So yesterday I just wrote a diary that, I know I made a mistake, but I need more self-love and self-compassion because we are not perfect. And in the morning while like doing some cardio, I always listen to like good motivational speech on YouTube, and I listen to Michelle Obama's speech. We cannot learn not by making mistakes, so I need more self-compassion, you know. So I want to edit my videos and I want to read the book. Really want to read the book. And in the morning I had such a great meditation session. I found this guided meditation. Just really good because I try to do my best to boost up my confidence and want to feel less self-doubt because I feel a lot these days. Yesterday I assembled some IKEA stuff. How shall I put it? Cardboard shelf, bookshelf. And I also made that box, so I put charges here. These are for curtains. I use the same boxes, so I put socks, underwear, and bras. It's really good way to organize all the stuff at a reasonable price. It's really cheap. I finished almost all my plan for my room. Anyway, have a chill family Monday. Although I don't have any family here in Canada, I love here. So see you tomorrow. Hi guys, today is Wednesday and I filmed a video, so stay tuned. Long time no see with this tint. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of tint, but I just wanna wear like reddish color on my face. So I also wear red blusher from Star Nanda last year. Yeah, the color is pretty red. These days I'm trying to be more patient about everything because I'm always like busy in my mind. So I want to be more calm and be more present because busy mindset makes me freaked out and stressed out. Things get better. So I hope you guys enjoy your day too and see you tomorrow. Hi guys, today is Wednesday and I didn't do anything on my hair because I used up all my hair protector, so I don't want to keep my hair without using that because it takes more time to transfer my money in Korean bank account to Canadian bank account, so I don't have any money to buy that. So I'm waiting. Maybe I'll get the money in 2 days, so it's okay. Yeah, I will get that soon. So today's all my plan is I'm going to go to library. This is all my plan today, kinda library and yoga day because I wanna do yoga with Adrian video at home after getting home. Happy Wednesday and see you tomorrow. I don't like my natural hair, so I braided my hair like this because I finally found this elastic band. Hi guys, today is Thursday. On my plan is I'll have an interview today. Yesterday I borrowed 2 English books. This Oxford Word Skills is really hard to learn. It's advanced version, so I'm pretty happy about that. This book is a little challenge for me. And I also borrowed this phrasal verbs. I'm just gonna wear this black knit top and black jeans. Yeah, this is dealing with a lot of emotions, but I just want to keep going and keep being myself, although my emotions are sometimes shitty, like anxiety, fear, jealous, anger, I'm dealing with a lot, but I want to conquer that shit. Yeah, just keep going. Sometimes I'm really trapped in the like perfect syndrome, kind of like, oh, my life is gonna get better after getting these things done and after getting that one. Like nothing is perfect. Sometimes that really frustrates me, but sometimes that really liberates me, you know what I mean? Because that means that I don't have to be perfect. I'm just doing my best. That's it. Ready to enjoy my day. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, today's Friday. I did kind of violet makeup. I really like to put purple eyeshadow on my eyes. And yesterday's interview, I think I did well. I feel like I gave a good impression to the interviewer, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I'm just waiting for the call. They're gonna call me back on Monday to Tuesday, but who knows. Literally, my gym bag was broken again. I asked to get a new gym bag on Sunday because that was broken, the under part. But that was broken again because I used that bag for grocery bag after working out because there is a grocery store next to the gym I usually go. But unfortunately, I feel like I put too much stuff in my bag and one of the strip, you know, the cross strip was broken again. So I was a little frustrated. Like, I think I'm not gonna ask about to get the free gym bag. I'll get a good one for myself. I'm working on some mindset stuff, so I wanna feel more abundant and more thankful for things I've already got. I just wanna focus on my life, my things. Yeah, so I'm working on some mindset, and today I wear a leopard print pants. And I wanna make a lookbook or hardware series about wearing a leopard print skirt and pants, so stay tuned. Hope you guys have a wonderful Friday and see you soon. Hi guys, today is Saturday, the end day of my vlogging, and I'm definitely gonna add in my video. I don't feel like it's a work because I like it, and I will write resumes definitely because who knows, my life kind of chill vibe. So this is all I want to plan. I'm ready to enjoy my Saturday, and I will upload a kind of lookbook video next week, so stay tuned. Beautiful day, and I feel like I isolate myself because all my roommates are Korean. They just speak Korean. I feel like that's not serving me a lot, so try to my best just to speak English because that's where I come to Canada, and I want to keep making YouTube videos. So I'm heading to cafe, Starbucks. After that, I just want to having a chill night. This is the place I live. I live in Midtown in Toronto, like so beautiful. I love to live here. It's really easy to go to downtown and uptown, so pretty good and really peaceful. Not that busy and not that noisy. So have a beautiful, wonderful Saturday. Bye.